Hello everyone, welcome to the adventures of Bill and Pokie. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. So we are at the dog park once again. Oh no, right over the fence. Oh no. What a great way to start my video, huh? Throw the ball right over the fence. We'll figure out how to get it. Cookie's such a good dog. She's sitting there trying to get her ball. So let me see if I can do this while holding the phone. Why don't we find another ball, Pokie? That one's shot. Let's find another ball. Come on. I'm trying to do it this way. Let's see if we can figure this out. It's not meant to be, Pokie. Come on. That ball's shot anyway. So we got her ball. Didn't think about just sticking my hand in and pulling it through the through the fence. It eventually came to me. Ready? This ball's about shot, Pokie. So we're trying to keep on keeping on. I've been having to do the door-to-door sales thing, which I'm no good at. I've knocked on over 1,000 doors, haven't got nothing. Trying to sell contracting. Things are really slow. No money, no gas. Oh well. Been here before. And we try to keep going. The rent hurdle's going to be, I don't even know whether we're going to make it this month, so middle of winter, although it's been very mild. We'll just have to do whatever we have to do to try to survive. Being old doesn't help. It's just me and my little dog. I have to try to get help somehow. Which I'll have to try to figure out. I'm hoping, actually I know God will take care of us. He's taken care of us so much. So we should be okay. Come on, Pokie, this way. Pokie, we're walking this way. Get your nose off the other dog's poop. Come on. Drop. Why people don't pick up the dog poop, I don't know. Come on, drop it. But all the stress and all the difficulty just starts to get to me. I haven't been feeling good. Can't figure out my Medicare. I pay $200 and some a month for it, and it's useless. I can't even figure out how to get an Advantage program. It's all so complicated. I look in the old folks book for help to see if I can get somebody to help me, and it's like, well, I'll call 211 or something like that. I don't know. It's crazy. Anyway, I don't know what's going to happen to us. It'll certainly be adventurous. I'm trying to make this a little bit longer video than everybody's used to. My long form videos haven't done nothing. I mean, 2 views. I think I got 6 views on the most successful one, where I have her shorts are like 4,000 views. I mean, you know, highest one. So maybe I should just stick to the shorts. But really, being older, I really don't have too many friends. I have some acquaintances. So you're like my friend. The people that watch my videos are basically my friends. You know, I'll keep doing this. I'll try and keep on keeping on. Come on, Pokie. I think she's getting tired. Well, I gotta go home and start making phone calls to see if I can sell contracting. Hope I have some luck. I've been pretty much useless to them without the work. They usually, you know, run supplies and stuff like that. The sales thing, I've never been a good salesman. 65 years. I think I know that. People are going to tell you, oh, no, you know, try to encourage you or whatever. It's like, I've been trying. My mom was a good salesperson. She sold dresses for years at H.B. Burnett's in the Riviera Hotel in Las Vegas. I mean, she knew a lot of famous people. Jerry Lewis, just a bunch of people. Most people wouldn't even remember their names now. Funny how life is. Come on, Pokie. Come on, baby. I think this video is long enough. Please like, subscribe, and share, and comment, whatever that does, I don't know. But I'm trying to get monetized, and it looks like it's going to take a long time. But I'll keep on trying. And who knows what's going to happen? None of us do. You know, best laid plans of mice and men. I mean, Colorado is nice. It's just so damn expensive. I mean, you know, $2,000 for rent. That's crazy. That's insane. And there's been so much stress without my people helping me. I couldn't have never made it even this far. But we'll see what happens. You guys have a nice day, and thank you for watching.